How to see footsteps in Fortnite settings. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see footsteps in Fortnite settings. First, launch Fortnite. Fortnite is available on PC or Mac, mobile, PlayStation, Xbox consoles, and Nintendo Switch. You can use Fortnite's accessibility feature to see footsteps and other actions around you. Then, open the Settings menu. Select the three-line icon in the top left corner of the screen, and then select the cog icon in the bottom left corner of the panel. In the menu, select Settings. Now select the Audio tab. This looks like a speaker icon. You can find this at the top, between the controller icon and the arrow keys icon. Toggle on Visualize Sound Effects. This will be underneath the sound header. Activate below Subtitles. After that, select Apply. This will apply your changes. You can now queue up for a game, solo, or with friends. This feature can help you improve at Fortnite, especially when you are in a region that is difficult to navigate. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.